Next, NASA says its Voyager 1 probe, the most distant human-made object in the universe, is sending usable information to Earth again after months of spouting gibberish. The spaceship left the solar system in 2012 and is currently more than 15 billion miles from Earth.
For over 4 decades, Voyager 1 has been our lone sentinel in the stars, a ghost ship sailing beyond the edge of our solar system. It pierced the heliopause, escaping the sun's final grasp, and now drifts in the cold, eternal silence of interstellar space. Alone, unstoppable, and carrying the hopes of a species, it ventures into the great unknown, never to return. But then, something extraordinary happened. NASA's Deep Space Network, which has been diligently monitoring Voyager 1, suddenly picked up anomalous signals, data that didn't match anything the spacecraft had ever sent before. These mysterious signals hinted that something was interfering with Voyager 1's trajectory, subtly altering its path. At this staggering distance, Voyager 1 shouldn't be feeling any significant gravitational tug. There are no known stars, planets, or celestial bodies close enough to exert such an influence. Yet its motion has inexplicably changed. Initially, NASA suspected a system malfunction, a glitch in the decades-old onboard hardware, but diagnostics revealed that everything was operating perfectly. If Voyager 1 isn't simply malfunctioning, then what is tugging at its path across the stars? Has it stumbled upon a hidden force in the darkness, a rogue planet cloaked in shadow, a primordial black hole bending space itself, or something far more enigmatic? Could it be brushing against the fabric of a cosmic phenomenon we have yet to understand? Or perhaps it's not alone out there. Is something watching? Waiting? The truth may lie in the silence between the stars. As NASA delved deeper into the puzzle, they began scrutinizing the spacecraft's radio transmissions. Voyager 1 has long been sending back ultra-weak signals across billions of miles, but now, buried within the background noise, were structured, repeating sequences, signals that clearly weren't coming from Voyager itself. These sequences, reminiscent of mathematical rhythms, defied explanation. No known cosmic phenomenon produces such deliberate patterns. Could this be a natural celestial phenomenon, or perhaps a deliberate message from an unknown intelligence? If so, who or what is sending it, and why? Then came a revelation that sent ripples through the scientific community. Voyager 1's sensors picked up signs of a vast, invisible presence lurking in the interstellar deep, something massive enough to subtly tug at the spacecraft's path, yet completely undetectable by conventional means. Could it be a rogue world, drifting aimlessly through the void? A concentration of dark matter we've never mapped? Or perhaps a primordial black hole, ancient, silent, and older than the stars themselves? Whatever it is, its existence challenges everything we thought we knew about the cosmos. In one particularly eerie moment, Voyager 1 recorded a slight change in its course, as if it had sensed something nearby. Was this just a routine mechanical adjustment, or was it a response to an encounter with the unknown? As NASA continued to analyze the erratic signals and trajectory shifts, an unsettling theory began to emerge. What if these anomalies aren't random at all? What if Voyager 1 has inadvertently entered a region of space already under the influence of something else? And what if that presence isn't merely a natural phenomenon, but an intelligent one? Voyager 1 carries more than data, it carries an invitation. The golden record, our voices, our music, our coordinates, a message to the cosmos. But what if it was heard? What if something out there has answered, and it's already on its way? In trying to make contact, have we doomed ourselves by lighting a beacon in the dark? NASA is now racing against time, eager to decipher these enigmatic signals before Voyager 1's power fades forever. In a final twist, the probe sent back an unexpected transmission, a data burst lasting exactly 4 minutes and 33 seconds. At first glance, it appeared as routine telemetry. But then, scientists noticed something impossible: anomalies embedded within the signal, as if data had been injected that was never programmed into Voyager 1's systems. Then, without warning, Voyager 1 went dark. 4 excruciating minutes of absolute silence, no data, no signal, nothing. For a spacecraft that had faithfully spoken to us across the stars for decades, it was a terrifying first. Had it been intercepted, disabled, or had it crossed into something no probe was ever meant to find? When contact returned, Voyager acted as if nothing had happened, but we know something did. The silence wasn't just a glitch, it was a message, and we may not be ready for the answer. One disturbing possibility now looms: what if Voyager 1 has been redirected? What if it's received instructions from an external force, altering its path beyond human control? With no resources to confirm these theories, NASA can only watch and wait as Voyager 1 drifts deeper into the cosmic unknown. Even more chilling, Voyager 1's latest coordinates no longer align with its predicted trajectory. Someone, has altered its path. As experts comb through the data, an unsettling possibility takes shape. What if Voyager is not alone? In the vast silence of space, where nothing should be near, there are growing signs that something is shadowing the probe. A mysterious gravitational anomaly seems to be trailing behind it, as if it's being followed, watched. And that is a question we may never want to answer. If Voyager 1 is indeed being tracked by an unknown object or entity, then what does that mean for us? Could it be that the repeating signals were not random at all, but a deliberate response? And if something, or someone, is following Voyager 1, might it eventually turn its attention back toward Earth? Voyager 1 has already revolutionized our understanding of the cosmos. Yet these latest anomalies, structured signals, unexplained trajectory shifts, and a possible unseen presence, raise more questions than answers. Have we witnessed first contact, or has Voyager 1 unwittingly led an intelligence back to our doorstep? For now, Voyager 1 continues its silent journey, transmitting its fading data into the dark. One day, it will go dark forever, a solitary relic adrift in the cosmic abyss. But if an intelligence has intercepted it, if something has found it, then what happens next may not be up to us anymore. Thank you for joining us on this deep dive into one of space's greatest mysteries. Stay tuned as we continue to follow the trail of Voyager 1's enigmatic journey. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button, subscribe for more cosmic updates, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, keep your eyes on the stars.